Here at Cellaxys, we offer full spectrum ability of regenerative medicine and stem cell therapies. This includes platelet-rich plasma, PRP, bone marrow transplant, adipose, which is fat tissue transplant and stem cells, as well as placenta and umbilical cord treatments and injections. Even though we provide all of the above, we really focus on autologous, which means comes from your own body. The reason for that is we like to use your own tissue that has a regenerative power to make you heal without rejections, without getting quality issues, by getting frozen material from the outside world that we don't know how it's going to impact our patients. However, we do offer all.